Welcome back, everyone. Shashiburi desu ne. Long time no see. Today we'll start with our grammar lessons. Yay! So the first grammar lesson is about nouns. How do we say that noun 1 is noun 2? Like, for example, my father is a teacher, or the teacher is an American. How do we say that in Japanese? So the key is noun 1 wa, noun 2 this. Notice here that the particle used here is wa, W-A, wa, pronounced as wa, but written as the hiragana ha, pronounced as wa when it is used as a particle. And at the end we have this, D-E-S-U, this, U is silent, which means existence. So noun 1, wa, noun 2, this. For example, Suzuki-san wa sensei this. That means Mr. Suzuki is a teacher. In place of Suzuki, you could have any name like Tanaka-san or maybe Momoko-san, or maybe some relationships like instead of Suzuki-san, you could say Oto-san wa sensei desu, which means my father is a teacher. Similarly, Oka-san wa sensei desu, which means my mother is a teacher. Another example would be Sensei wa Nihonjin desu. That means teacher is Japanese. Or you could say Sensei wa America-jin desu. Or Oto-san wa America-jin desu. And so on and so forth. Such a simple lesson, isn't it? See you in our next lesson. Bye.